Hi, thanks for visiting Graphic Illusion. Here are some postcards that I accumulated. If you want details about them, please ask. They're old originals. Here's a beauty. As you look at this YouTube video, you can stop it anywhere you want to take a look. There's like Carlsbad Caverns National Park, New Mexico. Cave Onks Draperies, it's called. And it's a nice old. That's an hotel room. Ocean Park. You're visiting graphicillusion.com. Put a hyphen between the graphic and illusion. Most of these postcards are not written on. A few are. These are from all over the world and mostly the United States. They're in excellent condition, still shiny. Make an offer. Offers from $2 and up will be considered. This is postcard video 1 from graphic-illusion.com. People say, are you trying to videotape every single thing you own? And the answer is yes, and I'm not complaining, but it could take a lifetime. Those were the days. I remember places like that when I was a kid. And places like that as well. Some of these places no longer exist, and some of them still do exist, and it seems to me that places that exist would like a postcard from where they exist, you know? Maybe you can get a free meal or a free room. I don't know, it's worth a try. Alright, that's part 1 of many.